challenging, painful. It's just a reminder to take a little bit better care of yourself. You're worth it. You can have this feeling anytime you choose.
So, those are all the plants that I have in a curtain rod. Now, moving on to the plants that I have here on my, I consider this my work table kasi dito ko nilalagay yung aking laptop. Okay, so the first one is my Philodendron gloriosum. I have another Philodendron gloriosum. It doesn't look as nice as this. Ngayon, nasa labas siya. Tinatry ko na makarecover siya doon. But this one, yan, ang ganda ng leaves niya, malaki. And it has 2 new babies. So, ayan. I can't wait na lumaki sila and mag-unfurl. So, beside that, I have my Philodendron lemon lime, which is currently in its worst condition ever. Ang nangyari is, una dito na siya nakalagay sa loob and then nilabas ko siya. Nung nasa labas na siya, nag-grow siya talaga. Ang ganda-ganda niya. Up until February of this year, bago mag-summer. Hindi ko napansin na lumulungkot na pala siya. Napansin ko lang nung mga April na or May. And kailangan ko siyang i-relocate. So now, nilagay ko muna siya dito sa loob to hopefully recover. So, I don't know if it will recover here, but I'm gonna keep you guys posted. And makikita nyo naman yan syempre sa mga vlogs, ganyan. But yeah, for now, it's here. Alright, so the last plant here on this table is my Scindapsus triubii Moonlight. This is one of my faves when it comes to the leaf design kasi sobrang pretty talaga ng silvery bluish tinge niya. Beside that, we have our coffee table or side table. And here I have one of my Monstera Thai constellation. I can't believe how expensive Thai constellations are right now in the Philippines. That's why I'm so thankful na I already bought one last year. Siguro kung ngayon ako bumili ito, hindi ko ma-afford bumili. So, sobra akong thankful na nakabili na ako last year. So, nga rin tong spot na to, actually, surprisingly, kahit na wala dito masyadong light, okay ang kanyang status dito. Okay guys, so moving forward, I have another real Sansevieria over there. Sansevieras, madali rin silang, well, hindi sila ganun ka-fast grower, but matibay talaga ang kanilang mga leaves. Tumatagal talaga ng months and months and months, maybe even a year. But yeah, so there. And then here, I have a Philodendron micans na nakasabit lang siya dyan. Philodendron micans, isa to sa aking mga top favorite houseplants because I love yung kanyang pagka-velvety, tapos basta, ang ganda lang niya talaga. I especially love my plants like the philodendrons and pothos kapag nagiging leggy na sila kasi I love trailing plants. And then, beside that, I have my Ficus Audrey. This is a 3 feet na mini tree lang siya. How's my Ficus Audrey? It's doing okay. It has lost, itong mga nakaraang araw, medyo marami na naman siyang nawala na leaves. But the consolation that I have is that meron siyang mga bagong leaves sa ibabaw and may bagong leaves din na tumutubo. Ayan. Maliliit nga lang. So, ito, ayan. Ayun, hopefully naman mapalitan nila yung mga natanggal na leaves. Okay, so I posted a photo of a fiddle leaf on my Instagram like a month ago or 2 months ago. And hindi ito yun. Iba pa to, besh. But I'm planning to sell this, okay? I'm not gonna keep this. I'm planning to actually sell this one, but for now it's here kasi talagang parang give up na ako sa fiddle leaf. Parang ayaw talaga nila sa akin. But yeah, ang ganda sana eh, kasi alam mo yun, ang ganda sana na may fiddle leaf ka sa collection. But, kung ayaw naman sa'yo ng plant, or kung talagang you cannot deal with it, nasa-stress ka lang, it's better to let it go. So, ayan. But for now, nandiyan siya. But yeah, I'm planning to sell that. So, again, eto siya. And the last plant in our living room is this rubber tree right here, or rubber plant. Okay, so nagdo-drop yung leaves niya kasi hindi ko pa siya nadidiligan. But yeah, it's here. It's thriving here. And medyo matagal na rin to sa akin. So for the ficus elastica, or the rubber plant, I would really suggest that you put it in a spot that has bright indirect light. Actually, they can tolerate direct sunlight as well, or yung talagang mainit na environment. But yeah, bright indirect light, and then water only kapag nakita nyo na, na-observe nyo na yung leaves ay ganyan. Parang bumababa na siya kasi it means it needs water already. That is also to avoid overwatering, which we know is the cause of root rot. And root rot is, as mentioned in the past, it's one of the common causes of death sa plants. So, we wouldn't want that. Kaya, observe na lang yung leaves. Kung meron kayo nito, and medyo nahihirapan kayo mag-alaga, i-modify nyo ang inyong watering schedule. And, siguro kung feeling nyo wala masyadong light sa pwesto niya ngayon, yun, give it more light. Ayun yung aming sala. So, nandito na tayo ngayon sa dining area. Let's start with this plants right here. So, I have here a tobacco palm. Dati, dito to nakalagay. And then, namroblema ako sa kanya. So, nilabas ko siya. And then, nag-recuperate naman siya, or nag-recover naman siya. So, pinasok ko na siya ulit. Pero, dito na siya ngayon nakalagay. Ayan. There. And then, beside that, I have, I have this plant. This is a Sansevieria parva, which is interesting. Ngayon ko lang siya narinig. Actually, isa to sa mga bagong plants na binili ko. And I have a haul coming up. Or, ewan ko kung ano mauuna. Yung haul o itong plant tour video. But yeah, I love the leaves of this plant. Sobrang matigas siya. And medyo pointy yung kanyang mga dulo. Kaya rin dito ko lang siya nilagay sa sulok. Kasi para hindi maka-aksidente. Okay, so sa tabi niya, I have this aglaonema right here. This looks like a silver bay, but it has slender or thinner leaves. Kasi pag sinearch nyo yung silver bay sa, I don't know, sa Instagram or Google, may kita nyo, ganito yung leaf pattern niya, pero mas matataba. So this one, mas slender siya. So, I don't know. I'm not exactly sure what kind of aglaonema this is. Okay, so this is this area. Katabi niya, katabi or sa kabilang side, we have this big peace lily. This is a variegated peace lily. Yeah, so it needs water obviously because the leaves are drooping. So later after this video, magdidilig ako. Hindi kasi ako nagdidilig na sa umaga. So ayan, kaya inabutan sila ng ganyang mga condition. But yeah, pag diniligan na to, the leaves usually will, you know, perk up. So, isa yon sa mga cue or sa mga pwede nyo tignan as indication if your peace lily needs water. Yung leaves niya, ganyan, magdudrop talaga siya. Para rin avoid nyo ang overwatering. So, wag kayo basta-basta mag-decide na, ay, parang ilang araw na, hindi ko pa nadidiligan. Pero kung okay, kung nakatayo pa yung leaves niya, sabihin, okay pa siya nun. So, wag nyo muna diligan. Hintayin nyo na medyo mag-drop ng ganyan. Alright, so now we will go here. This is our west-facing window gate para sa papunta sa aming lanay. So I have here 4 plants lang naman. So the first one is my pothos enjoy. Ayan, so dati sa sala ito nakalagay, pero na-notice ko na hindi siya masaya doon kasi sobrang nagkakaroon siya ng maraming brown leaves, maraming namamatay na leaves. So nilipat ko siya dito and ayan, happy naman siya dito sa spot na to. another one, aloe plant. Isa rin ito sa mga nirepot ko recently. So, ayan. Nandito siya. Beside that is the mother plant of almost all my golden pothos propagation. So, ito siya si mother. Yan siya. Kaya rin hindi siya humahaba masyado. Kasi lagi ko siyang pinuputulan. Lagi ako nagpo-propagate from this plant. Matagal na to sa akin. This is probably my oldest plant. Or one of my oldest plants. But I love it. And ang ganda nitong mga leaves na ito yung mga medyo bago niyang leaves na pinroduce. So, nakita nyo, may white variegation. Yan. Next, we have my Scindapsus exotica. I think that's what it's called. Pero it's also known as silver satin pothos. Yes. Mahaba to actually. Pag tinanggal ko yung mga nakapulupot sa ibabaw, abot na yan sa sahig. Pero para maiwasan ang, alam mo yan, na maapakan, maipit dito sa grill or whatever, ayan, nirolyo-rolyo ko na lang siya or pinulupot ko siya sa ibabaw. And meron siyang mga bagong leaves dito. Ayan. Silver satin pothos are very easy to propagate. If you wanna know the propagation methods that I do or that I do for my plants, I have a video about that, so you can check it out after this video. Alright, so the last plant in our dining area is this sad looking pink Chinese evergreen. Kaya yan naging ganyan is because napabayaan ko siya. As in, matagal ko siyang hindi nadiligan. And then, when I watered it, nalimutan ko siya sa labas, nasunog yung mga leaves. So, ayan, nagre-recover pa siya. Pero buhay pa naman siya. I'm confident na makaka-recover din siya in due time. Okay, so yun lang yung nasa aming dining area. But actually, I have this. Ito ay propagation lang ng philodendron lemon lime. So, nakita ko to sa sahig, sa lupa, katabi nung philodendron lemon lime na pinakita ko sa inyo kanina sa sala. So, naputol siya talaga. And naisip ko, lagay ko siya sa water. I'm not expecting it to give me new roots, but it did. Ayun o, may puti kayong makikita doon. So, hindi ko alam kung ililipat ko pa to sa soil ever because I've had a bad experience with transferring a propagated lemon lime to soil before. Hindi siya nabuhay. And then just wanna show you, I've shown this in the vlog, but yeah, I wanna show you dito sa taas namin, meron lang ako mga nakasabit na golden pothos. There. So, this spot actually is a nice spot for plants because there's this big window right here that's a west-facing window, which means it gets light the whole day. Hindi man siya direct light, but very bright yung area na to. So, talagang pwedeng maglagay ng plants dyan. And actually, plant box yan eh. Yan parang brown part na yan. Pero, mas gusto ko lang na nakasabit na lang yung plants para mas madaling tanggalin, diligan, and all. So yeah, that's it for our dining area. Okay guys, so meron din ako mga plants na nasa taas, pero sabi ko nga, onti lang sila. So I'm just gonna insert some shots. So dun sa aming walkway, kung nasaan yung aking mga books, nandoon yung aking maliit na Philodendron squamiferum. And then, I have one aloe plant also sa library. And sa aming kwarto, meron lang akong dalawang plants. Yung peace lily and the golden pothos. In case you're wondering, yung sa kwarto, they don't get direct sunlight or hindi ko sila pinapaarawan. But surprisingly, they are thriving. Especially the peace lily, matagal na siyang nandoon. So, buhay na buhay pa rin siya up to now. So, there you have it guys. Sana nagustuhan nyo itong ating updated houseplant tour video. Alam ko matagal nyo na itong hinihintay and matagal ko na din itong pinramis. But finally, I was able to film it and do it for you guys. So yeah, yun lang. Sana nagustuhan nyo itong ating video for today. If you did, please don't forget to hit the like button, comment, and of course, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I would highly appreciate it. I have a lot more plant-related videos coming up. Don't worry, Plant Fam, I gotcha. So I don't have anything more to say. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you guys again in my next video. Bye!